Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Long Joe from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve across. Now underneath, let's draw the top row of teeth. From the ends, let's draw 2 lines down, and then connect them at the bottom with a curve. Next, inside, let's add vertical lines for the teeth. Now underneath, let's step in and let's draw another curve for the shape of the mouth. And then another curve inside for the bottom row of teeth. And again, vertical lines inside. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. On the top here, let's start with the curve. And then let's bring it down on both sides. And that's it for the head. Next, let's draw the arms. From the bottom, let's draw a wavy line down and out, like this. And now let's do the same thing for the right arm. Now underneath, let's draw the same curve. And then one more larger curve for the hand at the end. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. Next, let's move inside the hands and draw the eyeballs. Let's start with 2 circles at the top of the hand. And then add some pupils inside like this. And then color the pupils in black. Now let's do the same thing on the right hand. Now underneath, let's draw 2 more eyeballs in the same way on both hands. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's move back into the middle and finish drawing the body. From under the arm, let's draw a curve in and then down. And the same on the other side. Now at the bottom, let's add the legs. We'll start by angling it out and then down. Now inside at the top, let's add a curve. Then let's bring it down on both sides. Next, let's add the feet at the bottom by drawing a round curve like this. And that's it for Long Joe. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!